Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change the keyboard layout on your Apple TV. Have you ever been annoyed by the default keyboard layout when searching for movies or TV shows? Well, this video is for you. We'll show you a simple and easy way to switch between different keyboard layouts, like QWERTY, ABC, or even regional layouts. It's surprisingly straightforward, and it can make a big difference in your typing experience. So, grab your Apple TV remote, and let's get started. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Okay, so first things first, make sure your Apple TV is on and you're on the main screen. Now, navigate to the Settings app. You can use the remote to scroll through the icons until you find it. It usually looks like a gear or cogwheel. Click on it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find General. Select General. Now look for Keyboards. It might be a bit further down the list, so keep scrolling. Select Keyboards. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option called Add New Keyboard. Select it. Now you'll see a list of available keyboard layouts. You can scroll through and choose the one you want to add. For example, you might see different language layouts like French, AZERTY, German, QWERTZ, or even different variations of QWERTY. Select the layout you want to use. The selected layout will now be added to your list of keyboards. You can add multiple layouts if you like. Now, let's test it out. Go back to the main screen and try searching for something in the App Store or any app that uses the keyboard. When the keyboard pops up, look for a globe icon, usually located near the bottom of the screen. Clicking on the globe icon will cycle through the different keyboard layouts you've added. Just keep clicking until you find the layout you want to use. That's it. You've successfully changed the keyboard layout on your Apple TV. Pretty easy, right? You can repeat these steps to add or remove keyboard layouts as needed. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more Apple TV tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.